Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video we will try to solve some few issues which I got it while capturing the screenshot. So whenever you get this JavaScript error dollar is not a function and this kind of thing, Coords.prototype.toString function where maths and all, when you are getting this kind of error, to resolve it is just a one line solution. We get this when we try to take the screenshot for a particular element. If you take the screenshot for a full page, you will never get this error, but when you try to take the screenshot for a particular element, you might get this error because of we are not using that Coords provider function. Okay, so see, this is the code. For this I have already made one video, you can go through this. This is the code which we have written for taking the screenshot for a particular element. So here we got that error I showed you. To solve that, what we have to do is we have to use that Coords provider function. We were not using that because we are taking the screenshot for a particular element, so we have to provide the coordinates, right? So we will use Coords. I will show you just a few words solution, that's it. Coords provider. Okay, and then Coords provider new WebDriver Coords provider. Okay, and then dot dot take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. Correct. Driver is correct, and then we have to use that actual path, actual image location. This web element we have to pass. Okay, where we are taking this. And now I will run this and it should work. See, now program is working and we are not getting any issues. Right, it is capturing the screenshot, it is comparing, whatever you want you can do. So guys, by using the Coords provider function, you can resolve those issue that dollar function is not a function in the function, and that Coords provider, whatever the issues we are getting. Thank you guys for watching my video.